Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the back of my hair is already done. We're going to jump right in. I'm going to be using the Bobby Boss Dready Loc braid. These locks are very chunky, so I did my parts big. So for the crochet part, basically how it's going to work is you loop the crochet hair onto the needle, and then you're going to pass a section of your hair onto that needle. Right, so once you finish doing that, basically you're going to braid your hair. So you braid the lock into your hair. That way there's no knot or anything like that. It's like very seamless basically. So once you finish with the braid, you take the needle again, and then you're going to pull the hair through the lock so that it doesn't show. Alright, so just to show you guys one more time, your section of hair, you're going to take a section of that section and you're going to loop the lock through that, right? So then once you finish doing that, you're going to have that one strand. So you take that one strand and you mix it with the other to make a braid. So you're going to make it 3 strands. So once you have your braid, you start to braid your hair all the way down, and make sure you do the braid a little bit tight so that your roots aren't too loose, because you don't want it to be too loose, because then your hair is going to be loose, and we don't want that. We want it to be as tight as possible, because then your hair is going to be able to last longer. So once you have your braid, you finish braiding all the way down. You don't really have to twirl the ends. That's optional if you want to, of course. So then once you finish with the braid, basically you're going to take your needle again and you're going to pull the hair that you just braided through the lock so that it doesn't look like it's not your hair, basically. So because my hair is a little bit longer, and when I try to pull like the whole length of my hair, it didn't work out. So you could pull it in sections like I'm doing. So you just keep pulling and pulling until no more of your hair is out. And that's basically all you have to do, guys. For this lock, I would honestly advise this method, or just, yeah, this method would be the best method, only because I tried to pull the lock through the loop and the loop was too small to pull that thick ass lock. Okay, so like for me personally, I would say this would be the best one, because when I tried to pull the whole lock through the loop, it would just get all frizzy and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But I actually got this hair from Beauty Depot. I'm gonna link the link for you guys in the description box. It was super duper cheap. It was like $1.99 a pack. I have a whole bunch of hair leftovers because this hair was like really big and chunky. It is not heavy at all, like super duper lightweight. I don't even feel it. You know what I'm saying? And then another thing is also the pack of the hair came with these little gold strings here for you to decorate. So once I finished with all of my locks, I basically just decorated the little string on the parts that has the red. So like the tips of my hair are red, and I see that some of the tips are poking through. So the places where I could see the red tips poking through is where I added the gold strings, just to like add something else to it, so yeah, you don't just see this red thing there. So basically once you finish with the lock, you know, decorate however you want to. If you do get this hair, just use the string because it was included. If you have any other accessories, try those as well. But honestly, yeah, that's basically it. Like, that's all you have to do. That is it for this tutorial. Super duper quick, fast. This is not going to take you too long because these are really big locks. So like, it should take you maybe 2 hours max. Super duper quick style. Once you finish adding your accessories, whichever one that you choose to use to choose. Wow, okay. Whichever one that you use, right? That's pretty much it for this style, y'all. Like, you don't have to use the string. It's obviously, if you want to, it's optional. I wanted to use it. But that's pretty much it for this style. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.